morning, leaders. We're on PixelLab to design a flyer. And so when you want to design a flyer right here, on Canva, the measurement for your flyer is already there. All you have to do is click on a template. And then even if you want to design, you start designing. But on PixelLab, it is not so. I hope you're hearing me. I'm just waking up and I just have to make this video for all of you, alright? So the first thing you do is you click on these three dots here and you go change the sizes to the actual size that is needed for flyer. Alright guys, with that done, okay. As you can see, the shape of our pixeler background just changed. This is the actual size for your flyer, okay? Yeah, I want you to master this. I wouldn't want, when you ask to design your own, you start making short copies and all of that. Although there is this other 4A, but this is the actual size for a flyer. Okay, guys. Alright, with that done, we'll just go straight ahead. I will just delete this text because we will not be needing it for now. I'm not changing the background, so we'll just go all out. I pick my shape. I want to, most flyers we'll see in tutorials like this are usually a food flyer. So I want to make something different. Let's say a hair salon flyer, alright? Let's say a hair salon flyer. Yeah, so that's what we're about to do. So I'm trying to make up enough space for my design. Okay, with that done, guys, we just have to double click. This will come later, but for now, let's click here. Okay, this particular one, I want to give it a stroke. Yeah, a stroke. Let's choose okay, yellow will do. We can still go all on to take it to like say 4 or even 3. Okay, this is our 4. Then we'll now go back to this particular circle and bring it a little bit down here. And I want to change the color. Yeah, I want to change the color to this. Alright guys, with that done, I would love to merge the two to avoid them running up and down. I would love to merge the two to avoid that running up and down, to be sure they are properly seated. Yes guys, so with that done, I will quickly, let's return back here and see what we can do. Quickly choose this. I'm trying to just watch what I'm doing, guys. I want you to notice what I am doing. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, so the first thing I would love to do is just go straight to my texture and get this. As I told us, I'm trying to make a hair salon flyers, guys. A beauty salon flyer. Okay. With this done, I can now go to, let's say, my stroke to put that beautiful yellow that I wanted so much. Yeah. So we'll return here and still do same here. Go get a nice hair, a different one from the usual. Okay, let's choose this. This looks coily. It's a different hair, because I wanted to make a hair salon flyer, guys. I went to Google and downloaded all of this and removed the background. Okay, so I can have it this way. So with that done, we still return to stroke and add that beautiful yellow stroke that we're using in this design. That beautiful yellow stroke, yes guys. And we head over to this and we still return that favor. Just get another hair, get another hair. Another hair, guys. Just to take up all of that space. Yeah, just to take up all of that space. So just add our stroke again. Just add our stroke again, guys. I hope you're following. Now, it must not be hair. When you're doing yours, it must not be hair. You could design for your brand. You could design for anybody. Okay, guys. So, with that done, let's take care of this other aspect. I'd like to go here, and there was this beautiful something I did on Canva that I would love to use. Oh, I've done a whole lot after them that I would love to use. So, yes, guys, here it is. So, I intentionally designed this. You can do that as well with another hair. As you can see, this is covering this. I could change it from there, but I'd rather do this so that you understand how it works. If you look at this button, you see to the front and to the back. I just click to the back button and you see just fixed itself behind other ones. And it's looking out so nice, right, guys? It's looking nice. If you ask me, it's almost done. We're almost done right here because all our pictures have taken shape. Then the rest is your write-up. Once you've gotten all your pictures, fix them however you would love to fix them. Then the next thing you have to put up, guys, is your write-up. Now, you must not use this pattern, but I'm just making sure that if you can learn this, you will be able to design whatever it is, however you want to do it. You see how we brought in the pictures? Even if you don't want to, you know, design for hair, you can design anything. This style goes for anything. You must not use my circle shape, but you just see how the shape was brought in and how it was used and all of that. Yes, so that's why I'm taking our time to explain it, so that if you can look at how I did this, you'll be able to do anything flyer, anything at all. All right. So let's go on now. The next thing, guys, is to put our writing. So I click on A, and then we head to text. Yes, guys, we head to text. And so let's say hair palace. Okay, hair palace. Just watch me, guys. Now, you don't, because it's a flyer, it has to be beautiful. This is where you have to use all those very nice, beautiful fonts you've learned about. But make sure you don't choose more than, at least, even if it has to be to the highest, let it not be more than three. The moment your font is three, you're no longer doing graphics, it's now calligraphy. Okay, we don't want you to go all that way. So I'm going to my font to get. I don't want to choose from the font that is already on PixelLab. I have my fonts that I already have as my own, and that's what I want to use. This morning I have a particular font in mind. So I will just look for it, guys. This is it. This is what I have in mind, guys. So okay, I'm choosing it because it has that comb looking, looks like comb and all of that. Yeah, so that's why I'm choosing it. We'll just kind of increase the size. That's what I want to do. Increase the size because you remember hierarchy. In hierarchy, you just have the biggest, then the not so big, and all of that. Yeah, so this is it, guys. It has to be bold. Okay, depending on what you're looking to design. Okay, so with this done, guys, I would love to use this is color. Okay, why don't I just use this same purple? That means I'll have to do texture right now. Use that same purple that is up there so that we'll have what we call repetition. Most of you that did those logos did beautiful works, but because there was no repetition, you wanted to combine colors, but you just did it this color this side, this color this side, and it was not looking nice. And you've learned repetition already. So I was like, do you think those things you learned is just for learning's sake? You should apply it, all right? Apply it. At least know how to do it so that even when anybody want to challenge you, like you don't have to do it, you could just show the person, oh, I know what I'm doing. Do you get it? So this is stroke, guys. This is true, guys, and I'm picking yellow. Let's see how it comes out. Oh, I love it. I love it. I don't know what you guys think, but I love it already. So, as you can see, because it's a hair salon, our write-up already looks like it's a comb, organized, hair palette and all of that. So, I'm loving it already. I don't know any hair salon. I'm just trying to do something different from the usual food flyer that is everywhere. So, okay, let's say what next? You just have to write how people will locate you because it's a flight, has to carry the information of where you are, what you do there, and all of that. Yeah, your picture already said at least 50% of that information, but the other 50% let your write up do that talking. All right, so let's say oh my god, which name now? Mercy, no portfolio now does not have hair salon. Okay, let's use Kemi. Oh yeah, Kemi. I have some Yoruba friends actually when I was staying in Lagos, and most of them are very nice people, and a particular one had a salon. So let's use Kemi's place. Yeah, Kemi's place. Okay, so remember, guys, remember, about the hierarchy, we are all about it. And because of the repetition, we're trying to repeat, just to make our flyer balance. We don't want somebody to look at our work and say, oh, who did this? So go to font now, guys. First of all, we go to font. I would like to use Atom. Atom. I love it. I don't know if it's here. It's usually on Canva, but if we can't find it, I could go for, I don't want to use John 5, I can use Amrad Bold. There's another thing that is almost like it. Yeah, Amrad Bold is almost like it. So we increase the size, guys. We increase the size, not as big as the previous now, but we kind of increase the size a little bit. Then what else do we do? Okay, let's spread it a little. Let's spread it a little. We don't want it to compete with our main test, but we don't want it looking all small as if it's sick. So kind of spread it. Spread it. Yeah. Yes, that's what we do, guys. I think this is okay. Chemist place. Okay. What's the best design now? Okay, let's go for yellow color and a purple stroke, or yellow color, because I really want yellow and purple to be the main border of the day. So we'll go for yellow color. I don't know how it will turn out. Let's see the stroke, if the stroke will do anything beautiful. So let's go for a purple stroke. How will it look like? If it's not nice, it's not nice at all. Let's look for something a little bit dark. No, let's go for anything a bit darker. Let's see this. Okay, I think this is okay. So what do we do at Chemist Place? We now outline them. Just let the people know at Chemist Place we do maybe breading, blah 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 blah. Stuffs like that. Yeah. So we'll go back to text. Breading. Okay. Maybe hair revamp. Um, hair revamp. Hair revamp. What else do we do? Hair treatment and blah 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 like that. Hair treatment and so on and so forth. Just everything, the best. That's the time to outline all those info you were given to. All right. So you just place them here. You could spread them as well. Let's spread them, guys, so it doesn't look tiny and not well kept. Yeah, we're going to still use the previous font. We don't want everywhere to be tidy and unkept. No, I'm not coming for you. I'm going for font. So go to recent font in order not to make mistake and choose it. Yeah, okay. So now we've chosen our recent font. We'll go to the size. No, let's not increase the size. Let's rather spread it. Let's rather spread it, guys. Now, let's see what size will do for us. I don't want it looking all unkept. I don't want it to take all the space either. So yes, this is what we do at Chemist Place, and we just still use that same let's see purple and yellow again and see if it goes. No, I don't want it to look to be everywhere and all over the place. So no, let's still continue with the Chemist Place pattern. We'll choose the yellow. And then for the stroke, guys, we'll still choose the initial ash that looks a bit like purple. I hope you guys are hearing me, or my voice don't go inside, need the heart. So yes, guys, with that done, we can now give our address and all of that. Let's say 23 Ambode Street, 23 Ambode, Ambode. That is spelling, I don't know. No, I don't think it's the right spelling. Ambode Street, Komade, then Ikeja, Lagos. Okay, so you just have to make sure they are properly aligned, guys. You don't want a design that will be all over the place and nowhere in particular. So with this line, you could tell now if it's well aligned. Yeah, this is okay. We go back. We have what we want. We'll take it back to same yellow, same. Don't worry, I will repeat what I did there. I know what I'm doing. I'm sure you know by now that I know what I'm doing. Yeah, so okay, so the stroke, we go to stroke and you choose same stroke pattern we've used. Where are you, our stroke pattern? I think this is it. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay. So with that done, guys, it's time to put a nice quote and all of that, you know. Like, what's the favorite quote you see on beauty salons? I don't have anyone in mind. Okay, maybe less work or make us your hair plug or your best hair plug, your best hair plug. So your best hair plug, okay. We'll bring it down here. Don't worry, guys. I know what I'm doing. Then we'll return back to that previous, to repeat that font. Yeah, remember repetition. So what do? We go to font. We go to fonts. and we go to recent. Down here where my font is, you see the one we used, so you don't, because there are too many fonts, so that you don't make a mistake. Now we'll go back to texture and choose our purple again. We'll go back to texture and we'll choose our purple again. Okay, we'll go back to stroke and we'll choose our yellow again. Kind of trying to repeat that same previous pattern. Yeah, that's nice, right? Then we'll outline them. We'll spread them, guys. Okay, with that done, I don't know if there are other informations that hair salons have. I don't know. I don't run one. Uh, but then I think we're almost done. Visit us. Okay, place it right here so that you don't leave that place all empty. Yeah, we need space and all of those, but just make sure it's not a loud space that is saying nothing. Okay, yeah, so we'll just place yellow there. I think yellow will be fine. Yeah, yellow will be fine. Okay, if the person has a phone number after this hair treatment, I think it's the place to add number. Just copy it. So it's whatever your number is, you know, add the number so that the person will be located. It's one of the most vital informations you can never overlook. Alright, guys, you can never overlook it. It's one of the most vital informations you can never overlook. So once you've done all of these, guys, once you've done all of this, and you think everything is in place, you've done everything you wanted to do, every information is in place, and all of that, you could still fix pictures here if you want to. You could leave them like that. When you are done, don't forget this. You go back here to merge. Very important, guys. You go back to do it. Merge all of your work. Merge all of your work. You don't want them dancing up and down. You don't want them, believe me, dancing up and down. When you're done, okay. That means this one still the merge, so you merge them again. Merge, okay. So You now have them in one piece. What happened to our call on us? Didn't we merge it? Oh damn. We just have to return it, guys. Probably deleted without knowing. Forgive my manners. Call us or visit us wherever it is that they do say. I don't know. But whoever wants you to make a flyer for them will give you all of the information that they want. Alright? It's not about you, it's about what the person wants. Okay, so you still go back because you don't want it scattered all over the place. You still go back to merge, okay? So you don't lose your design to anything. So, guys, what you would do now, you know how it is. If you're working for someone, always save as project before you send out the image, because they will always come, you never put this. Oh, I was thinking you would have put this, because it's not about you. You're going to show that image to so many people who work with you, who stays around you, and all of that, and the owner of the job in particular. So you save first of all as an image, guys, as project, guys. Yeah, you save as a project, okay? You save as a project, you give it a name, let's say hair. Okay, Miss Hair. Okay, you save. Once you've saved as a project, guys, you will now return to save as an image. Okay, yes. You now return to save as an image. And when you're saving as image, you're going to change this to ultra so that you can have the best color quality. Find out the format your customers want. Do they want it in PNG or in JPG? You know. Then you save to gallery, guys. Yeah, we're done. This is how to design your flyer, okay, from scratch. All right, guys, so see you in class. Design something for any brand, all right, if you want to use this pattern. I'm going to do one more flyer pattern and we are done for flyers. All right, guys, you know, designing it on Canva is very simple, so that's why I wanted to show how to design it on PixelLab. See you guys in class. Love you guys. Bye.